Welcome to your weekly market update. We've had a good week for interest rates. Remember, green is our friend, red is our enemy. Only one bad day, but you can see that bad day was really, really bad. So that's what's happening in the volatility of the market. We'll have 4 or 5 good days in a row, and it'll all be torn up by one bad day. So the bad moves are greater than the good moves, but we're seeing a lot of buildup of lower rates ahead. Remember, we had a very good consumer price index report. That's consumer inflation. And we also had a very good producer price index. That's producers making goods, and they're getting things at a lower cost. So inflation is coming down real time. We just have to wait this out for the year. So it continues to hold to my prediction that we'll be at 5% rates by this time next year. Let me show you the supply and also the confidence within our builders. Let me back this up a second. So this is housing starts and permits. So you can see there are 1.6 million housing starts. That's up year over year. And remember, that's up from the greatest real estate market ever in May of 2022. We're still up in new homes being built. Now, that doesn't mean completions. These are starts. That means they're starting to build a home. Say a home takes 8 to 16 months to build. So those aren't homes ready for sale yet. So it doesn't quite fix our inventory problem, but it's hopefully catching up. Single family starts up 18% month over month. So that is about 1 million new single family homes coming to the market. So that means there's 630,000 multifamilies, condos, 2, 3, 4 units coming to the market. So more people going to condos and multifamilies as population grows and people live longer. Permits, which is the future inventory. So new permits being built. Pulled 1.49 million. Single family is a little less than 1 million. So that's really good that they're continuing to get permits to build in the future. Now, what also is happening is very strong sentiment within the builders. I'm developing some properties myself. I'll tell you, I look at what is the reward, what about can I get for the home, what's my output, and what risk do I have for putting that much money out, because it's a lot of money to build a home. So there's just more confidence within the builder sentiment. You can see we moved last month from 50 to 55 in overall confidence. Current single family sales is up. Sales expectations are up. Buyer traffic way up. Now, buyer traffic in last November, which was kind of the max of the lower housing market, or the housing market going backwards a bit, that was November 2022. Buyer traffic was about 20. That's almost doubled up to 37. So we're seeing a lot more traffic. Builders aren't cutting prices like they were back then. They're holding strong. Some properties are getting bid up over list price, and they're offering less incentives. The main incentives I see builders offering, which we can offer you too on any home, is 3-2-1 buy downs and 2-1 buy downs to artificially buy the interest rate down. So what is this all telling you? Even Diana Olick, our enemy within housing for 10 years, has preached a bubble, is now coming off some of her statements and saying that the housing market looks very strong despite these interest rates. Everyone thought these higher interest rates would deter buyers, but it's done the opposite. Remember, rents go up faster than interest rates do. Landlords, investors are smart, savvy business people. They're not going to lose money on a rental property. They're going to charge that on to the tenants. So buying is in a great position. These current prices will only continue to go up until supply is bigger than demand. And remember, when rates drop, that's more people that will qualify for a home, and there'll be more demand, and the supply, according to these numbers, will not catch up. So we have a very strong housing market. Remain diligent, remain on your search. We're here to run numbers for you. We're here to get you under contract. Remember, we're partners, not parasites to your realtors, and we are here to help you win. $5,000 pre-approval guarantee. 15-day closing, 20-day closing on jumbos, and some other harder situations, and appraisal gap coverage. We had 6 offers go in this weekend. We won all 6 of them. We will help you in your realtor win. Call us if you have any questions, and remain diligent on your home search.